Energetic and value-focused. Turnkey living on 1 acre, fully renovated. Stop searching and start living. This complete, top-to-bottom renovation offers the peace of mind of a new construction home with the charm of a private, 1-acre country setting. Pull up your new concrete driveway and discover a property where the hard work is already done for you. Key highlights: total overhaul, brand new roof, new HVAC, new electrical, new plumbing, new siding, and new windows. Modern interiors, gorgeous new flooring throughout and a stylish kitchen ready for your culinary creations. Smart layout, 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 full, upgraded bathrooms, including a luxurious primary suite with dual vanities. Outdoor living, enjoy a charming covered front porch, a spacious back deck for entertaining, and a convenient metal carport. Added security, enjoy public water and